Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to troubleshoot search and indexing in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Control Panel. Click Troubleshooting. Click View All. Right-click Search and Indexing, run as administrator. Click Next. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.